What's the meaning of charge card? Charge card. Charge card.
Charge card. Charge card. A charge card is a type of payment card that allows users to make purchases without being charged interest, but requires them to pay off their balance in full each month. Unlike credit cards, which allow users to carry a balance and accrue interest over time, charge cards usually have no preset spending limit and are intended for high-end customers who can afford to pay off their balances on time. Some of the most popular charge cards include American Express and Diners Club, both of which offer rewards programs and other exclusive benefits to their members.